my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and sound at your place. For those who are new here on my channel, hi, I'm Sikha Sharma and this channel is all about skincare, bit of makeup, my daily life vlogs and so on. Those who know me personally must be knowing that how badly I've been struggling with my acne on my face. And for those who are watching me for the very first time, yes, I've been struggling with my acne from a very long time, and I used to have a lot of acne on my face. Like I still have, but not that much. I have cured myself to a level, so I'll be sharing my story, my acne story with you all, which I'm gonna be super honest about. So without further ado, let's dive right into this video. So let's start with why acne happens. So guys, the first and the foremost thing is the food you eat. Yes, diet has got a huge role to play in it. It is the number one cause of acne. Now, I'm not saying कि हर एक के केस में ऐसा ही होता है, but मेरे केस में ऐसा ही था. That's what I'm sharing with you all. And but it is the major cause of acne. Like the oily food, junk food, refined sugar, refined carbs, breads, all of this causes a lot of acne to a lot of people. Also, a lot of people are not aware of dairy products. Like dairy products also can cause acne to a lot of people. So guys, just make sure you be healthy by whatsoever you eat. And yes, this is one of the number one causes, one of the major causes of acne. Number two could be your periods or your menstrual cycle. अगर आपको आपकी डेट के हिसाब से periods नहीं होते हैं, you might end up having acne on your face. At least मेरे केस में ऐसा होता है अक्सर. So this is what I'm saying. Number 3, hormonal imbalance. This could be caused due to PCOS or PCOD, and this can be cured very easily, guys. You just have to consult a dermatologist and get tests done, and then when your reports come out, you will get to know if you have cysts in your ovaries or not, or you have any like PCOS or PCOD. And then you have to take the right medications, and then you can cure it very easily, guys. Number 4, which is pollution. You know, we have open pores around our cheeks, and the pollution level is so much high in big cities, even in small cities as well. So our pores tend to clog, and that causes acne. Also, the sebum, which is secreted by our skin, attracts dust and pollution. That causes bacteria and later turns into pimples. I won't go describing all of the causes of acne, but you know, I'll just go quickly through the points that actually causes acne. Dandruff is there. We don't realize it, but that dandruff जो हम लोग के फेस पे आके गिरता है, we don't realize it. I'm repeating, we don't realize it. कब dandruff हम लोग के फेस पे आके या forehead पे आके गिरता है, and that causes acne. Not drinking enough water. Now, we do not realize it, guys. Trust me, we do not realize it that everything is interconnected. And this can actually cause a lot of acne to a lot of people. So we should always drink a lot of water. To be very honest, guys, I do not drink a lot of water. My sister keeps on saying, Siksha, please pani pi lo. But I do not drink a lot of water. I think I should start drinking enough water. Easy skincare products and beauty products that we think will suit our skin, but trust me, guys, that turns out to be a disaster on our skin. So please, guys, at least study a bit before buying, before applying it on your face, or you know, like, please be a bit careful about whatever you apply on your face. Stress can also cause a lot of acne to a lot of people. I'm not saying that सबके साथ ऐसा ही होता है. I'm just saying कि बहुत लोग के साथ ऐसा होता है कि stress actually causes them acne. So please, guys, stop stressing yourself. A dirty pillow can also cause you a lot of acne. You know, अगर पिलो गंदा होता है and we sleep उसी पिलो पे हमेशा, तो हम लोग का cheeks उस पे लगता है, and that germs जो होते हैं वहाँ का, वो हमारे skin पे आते हैं. That causes bacteria and you know, turns out to be pimples. Not cleaning your phone's screen. Guys, please do clean your phone's screen every now and then, क्योंकि वहाँ पे germs आके अटक जाते हैं. We do not realize it. हम लोग जब फ़ोन पे बात करते हैं, फ़ोन का स्क्रीन हमारे चीक्स पे लगता है, दैट जर्म्स हम लोग के स्किन पे आके मतलब घुस जाता है, एंड दैट कॉजेज पिंपल्स. आई थिंक these actually causes you a lot of pimples. Also, if you're suffering from a lot of acne, so please do consult a dermatologist because they can help you better than me. Because you know, every individual's case is different from the other. So finally, I'm going to be sharing my acne story with you all. So I had been suffering from acne from a very long time. It's been like 9 to 10 years that I have been suffering from acne. But अभी कुछ टाइम पहले बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया था, बहुत ज़्यादा. And yes, I have consulted a doctor. Also, बहुत कुछ ट्राई किया मैंने. एक डॉक्टर नहीं, मैंने 3-4 डॉक्टर्स कंसल्ट करे हैं एंड सारे सूट नहीं करे. तो मैंने क्या नहीं ट्राई किया. मैंने मेडिकेशंस, डॉक्टर्स, प्रोडक्ट्स, homemade remedies, what not I have tried, but नहीं ठीक हो रहा था. So I left it like that. I started, you know, खुद को समझाने लगी कि नहीं, ठीक हो जाएगा एक टाइम के बाद. फिर प्रोडक्ट्स आए. कुछ लोगों ने कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स मुझे रेकमेंड करे. रेकमेंड तो मुझे हमेशा से ही करते थे लोग कि ये लगाओ, वो लगाओ, वो लगाओ. बट यू नो, और मैं लगाती भी थी, बट सूट नहीं करता था एज एन ठीक नहीं होता था. अगर होता भी था तो 2 दिन के लिए मेरे को ऐसा लगता था कि नहीं ठीक हो गया, बट देन अगेन आफ्टर 2 days आ जाता था. तो वो ठीक कभी नहीं होता था. बट आई हैड अ लॉट ऑफ एक्नेस गाइज, एंड नाउ टच वुड I do not have that much of acne. I have open pores around my cheeks, a bit of acne scars, and not acne anymore. So yeah, I'm so much grateful to God that I don't have acne anymore. And I was so much stressed about my acne, so much upset about my acne, you know, from traveling every day from home to office. कितना लोग से मिलना पड़ता है, मीटिंग्स होते हैं, ऑफिस में कलीग्स होते हैं. And you know, it feels so embarrassing. I cannot express. Like, you people can relate if you have acne or you had acne. तो बहुत embarrassing लगता है, but then it's okay. It's a part of life. So I have watched that movie Secret, which was recommended by my brother. So you know, which says कि आप जैसा सोचते हो वैसा ही होता है. So I started, you know, thinking positive about myself, about my skin, and I made a note which says the gift of health is keeping me alive. That मैंने वो लगाया अपने ठीक सामने. जब मैं सो के उठती हूँ तो मैं उसको देखती हूँ, and I feel really grateful about my health. You know, the gift of health which is keeping me alive. So I'm really grateful to God for keeping me alive. And I'm so grateful to God that मेरे acnes चले गए by God's grace. So you know, आप जितना, like, this is a fact, and that actually works for those who believe or those who do not. But that actually works, guys. That actually works. If I'm stressing so much on this, trust me, it actually works for everyone. It actually works, guys. My brother has made videos on the topic Secret, and I'll link in the description box. You can check out his videos as well. Guys, मैंने बहुत struggle करा अपने pimples को लेकर, and I'll be sharing the products I still use, you know, so that you can also think about purchasing it. So guys, I'm repeating, study about the product a lot before purchasing it and before applying it on your face. I'm not saying, guys, that I'm pimple free right now, but like, I still have some scars. If I come closer, you'll get to see. But not what I used to have, and I'm so grateful about it. Also, guys, please do not stress about your pimples a lot. It will fade away. It will take some time, but it will fade away, trust me. Also, start being grateful for little things you have. And if I can cure my pimples by giving thanks to God and to everyone, and for being grateful for whatever I have, for the life, and for every little thing. You can also cure your pimples by doing that. So yeah, it's a wrap here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you have any suggestions for me for any topics that you think I should make a video on, please feel free to comment down below and do let me know. And if you like this video, do give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends, families, relatives, and everyone you know. I hope you have subscribed to my channel by now, and if you haven't, do take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Till then, take care, stay safe. Bye bye.